Okay, good afternoon, class. So today we're looking at exercise 11.3. Is that correct? 11.3, which is the odd numbers we're looking at. And this is on page 374. Right. Let's go. 11.3. We are told that 50,000 is deposited in a savings account. Calculate the total amount accumulated at the end of 9 years of the in each of the following cases if the interest is 7% per annum compounded annually. So let's go with A. So A is equal to P into the 1 plus I to the exponent n. What's your A value? 50,000 into 1 plus I, 7%, so 0.07 to the exponent 9. As you can see, the years are 9 years. So it's going to give us 50,000 into 1 plus 0.07 to the exponent 9. Gives you 91,000. 922 rand and 96 cents. B. Compounded semi-annually. Formula A is equal to P into 1 plus I over 2 to the exponent 2a. So it's going to give you 50,000 rand into 1 plus 0.07 over 2 to the exponent 2 times 9. Gives you 92,000. As you can see, it's a bit more than that. There's a compounding. It's compounding more often than as in A. 92,874 rand and 45 cents. Okay. Let's look at B. C, sorry. Compounded quarterly. A is equal to P into 1 plus I over 4 to the exponent 4a. So it's going to be 50,000 rand into 1 plus 0.07 over 4 to the exponent 4 times 9. Over 4. Gives you 93,370 rand. And 36. Okay. D, compounded monthly. That's my formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus I over 12 to the 12. It's going to be 50,000 into 1 plus 0.07 over 12 to the exponent 12 times 9. $93,708 and 85 cents. And then E, of course, is the last one, compounded daily. A is equal to P into 1 plus I to the exponent 365 to 365. That gives you 50,000 into 1 plus 0.07 over 365 to 365 times 9. Okay. Gives you 93,874 and 86 cents. Okay. And as you can see clearly, the one that is going to give you the better return is E. Yeah? And the same interest rate. Number 3. 8,500 rands invested at 11% per annum compounded monthly. Calculate the total accumulated amount at the end of 21 years. A is equal to P into 1 plus I over 12 to the 12. This is the last time I'm writing it like this. Okay? You don't have to put it over 12 to the 12 end. It's just to remind you. Okay? So it's going to be 85,000 rand into 1 plus 11%, so 0.11 over 12 to the exponent 12 times. How many years is this for? 21 years. So you got 85,000. 8,500. 8,500 into 1 plus 0.11 over 12. The exponent moves over. The exponent 12 times 21. 84,000, is that correct? Almost 10 times its value. Haramani, eh? 84,736 rand and 20. Okay, there's better things you can do with your money. Now you can give it to me. I can make good use of it. Rule number 5. 8,000 rand is deposited into a savings account for 8 years. Calculate the accumulated amount at the end of 8 years if the interest rate is 15% per annum compounded half yearly. So my formula A is equal to P into 1 plus I to the exponent. Alright, so what's your P value? 8,000 rand. Into 1 plus I. 0.15 compounded semi-annually over 2 to the exponent 2 times. How many years is for? This one's in the calculator. 8,000 into 1 plus 0.15 over 2. It's a very high interest rate. Okay, 2 times it. What could I just written 60? Give me 25,000. 446 rand
35 cents.
and 35 cents. Okay. Any confusion there? Number 7. Mr. Reddy sells his business and has 840,000 rand in cash after paying all his expenses. He invests the money with a bank to save for his retirement. He plans to retire in 20 years' time. So what does that mean? This is going to be your 20 is going to be your N. This is your P. Calculate how much money you will have in total if the bank pays 10.5% at your rate, compounded quarterly. So as my formula, A is equal to P into 1 plus I to the exponent. What's your P value? 840,000 rand into 1 plus I. 0.105 compounded quarterly, so it's over 4. The exponent 4 times 20. Fairly simple. 840,000 into 1 plus 0.15 over 4 to the exponent 80.
So
Yes,
it's supposed to be
1 0 less. Sorry?
105, sir.
105.
105.
Oh, 1 0. I typed it in wrong. 667,000. No, 6 million. Sorry.
Apologies for the interruption. Lower hundreds. Please report to
6,676,000.
report to the office.
254 and
69 cents.
69 cents. So far. Any confusion there, people? No? Not yet? Number 9. Dan deposits 18,600 Rand in the savings account at the bank. The interest rate is, okay, so timeline. Okay. So what do we have? T0. He deposits 18,600 Rand. The interest rate is 7.525% per annum compounded quarterly for the first 3 years. That takes you to T where? T3. The interest rate then increases to 8.5%. So 8.5% per annum compounded monthly for the next 4 years. So that takes you to T. What's the question? The question says calculate the total amount saved at the end of 3 years. So they only want that part. Not so? My formula is A is equal to P into 1 plus I to the exponent N. What's your P value? 18,600 into 1 plus I 0,0725 over 4 to the exponent 4 times 3. It's going to be 18,600 into 1 plus 0,0725 over 4 to the exponent 4 times 3. So they give you 23,000 and 74 and 17 cents. You all agree with that? So that's the amount lying at that point there. Alright. Yes. You just want to tell me it's fine. You just got my attention and you tell me no, it's fine. What is fine, girl? Oh, you want me to check? People, remember this is number 9. The B part of the question says, calculate the total amount in the savings account at the end of the 7-year period. So in other words, I must take it now all the way here. Not so. So the B part of the question, A is equal to P. Now I don't need to write the formula down again because I've written it. What's your P value now here? 23,000 and 74 Rand and 17 cents into 1 plus I 0,085 over 12 to the exponent 12 times 4. As you can see, it's for 4 years. People, this stuff is so easy, no? There's 1 plus 0,085 over 12 the exponent 12 times 4, I could have written 48. 32,379 Rand. 32,379 Rand and 18 cents. You with us, Lisa Kanya? Right, nice. Last question. No, that wasn't last one. So this brings us to exercise 7.4, which 11.4, which you guys have completed, correct? So we're going to go straight into that now.